everyone, I'm Alisha Bhatia, and in this video I will be talking about how to score a band 7. And this is my short way. If you're struggling with scoring a band 7 in your IELTS writing and you have been trying from quite a while and nothing is working for you, trust me, this video is for you. Before I begin, let me tell you one important thing here. No matter how many people tell you that your ideas don't matter, this thing doesn't matter, you just write flawlessly, your language should be impeccable. Trust me, there are factors. There's a standard that all the examiners they follow, and if you also try to fulfill the given criteria, no one can stop you from getting a band 7. With this, rather than wasting time, let's get started. So I have actually created a technique for scoring a band 7, and if you follow it, trust me, nobody can stop you. So I have named this technique after my name, and the name of the technique is Alisha Bhatia. There's another important factor here. Let's say we all are sitting in a room and you are an IELTS aspirant. I also work for Cambridge Assessment English. I do a lot of projects for them. I also work with Cambridge schools. And here I would like to tell you that there is one thing, there is just one technique. And why I have come up with this technique is because many people they have told me that, ma'am, we are unable to attend the classes, so we might not be able to score a band 7. Trust me, dear, that's not the case. And coming back to the topic, let's say there are 10 people in the room, including you, your other friends, and I'm there. You need to get a CLB 9, you need to get a band 7, and somebody tells you that exchange your sheet with somebody who you would be doing it with whom you will be exchanging. So many of my students they said that, ma'am, we need this thing. We need same Alisha Bhatia. And that's from where we have come up with this scheme, with this technique. So I am writing it like this, same Alisha Bhatia. This technique is actually of 3 parts, same, Alisha, and Bhatia. Same is about my ideas. Alisha is for the structures, the conjunctions, things we will be using for our band score 7, and Bhatia is for my connectors. In this video, we will be talking only about the ideas. So let me tell you that there are 4 major things. You might have, if you're a trainer, you might have heard your students saying that हमें ideas नहीं आते, हमें नहीं पता लिखना क्या है, हमें वहाँ समझ ही नहीं आया, यहाँ idea क्या आएगा. अगर आपको नहीं पता तो आपको टेंशन लेने की स्ट्रेस लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब से आपके दिमाग में आइडियाज आएंगे. Anytime, no matter what topic you get, all you have to do is you have to simply implement this technique, and in this video I will be doing it with you. Let's say this is my topic. So this one is first, this one is, if your topic, if anything that is given to you has some social impact. Some people believe that children should be punished the way adults are punished for any crime. If the topic is about juvenile delinquencies, फिर क्या किया जाए? Social impact हो जाएगा क्या? अगर उस बच्चे को हम punish करते हैं, उसका कुछ social implications होंगे क्या बाद में? हाँ, हो सकता है society accept ही ना करे. हो सकता है उस बच्चे को एक चेंज होने का चांस मिल जाए, हो सकता है वो एक बेटर यूटोपियन सोसाइटी की तरफ लेके जाए, हो सकता है हम उसे पनिश करें और वो बच्चा कहे नहीं, इसने मुझे पनिश किया, आई विल बिकम आई विल सीक रिवेंज. तो डेफिनेटली इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है. एज का कोई फर्क पड़ता है क्या? सम पीपल बिलीव दैट चिल्ड्रन शुड बी सेंट टू स्कूल एट द एज ऑफ before 6. Others they believe that children they gain some kind of maturity even after 6, and that's why they are able to learn better, their cognition improves. Do you discuss both views and give your opinion, or do you agree disagree? If one liner had been there, क्या आएगा, क्या आइडिया आएगा? एज का फर्क पड़ता है ना. कुछ लोगों को लगता है लैंग्वेज जल्दी सीखनी चाहिए, कुछ लोगों को लगता है आफ्टर अ वाइल जब थोड़े मैच्योर हो जाते हैं तब सीखनी चाहिए, कुछ लोगों को लगता है शादी की एज 21 होनी चाहिए. अदर्स दे बिलीव दैट नहीं, शादी 25 के बाद होनी चाहिए. एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. कुछ तो इम्प्लीकेशंस हैं, कुछ तो इसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. दिस इज व्हाट वी नीड टू डू हियर. थिंक अबाउट कि एज का क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, फास्ट फूड पे क्या असर पड़ता है, लोगों के ड्रेसिंग सेंस पे क्या असर पड़ता है, उनके टॉकिंग स्टाइल पे क्या इम्पैक्ट होता है. नो मैटर व्हाट टॉपिक यू गेट, वीडियो गेम्स, क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है एज का. वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट दिस. इसमें कहीं ना कहीं क्या हमारी इकोनॉमी, हमारा मनी वाला पार्ट इंक्लूडेड है क्या? तो यहाँ पे अगर इफ यू एक्चुअली वांट, आई कैन, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट, इसमें हम एक और फैक्टर भी सोचेंगे, मनी। क्या आपको लगता है बाहर खाना खाने के क्या एडवांटेजेस हैं, घर पे खाना बनाने के क्या एडवांटेजेस हैं? क्या हम मनी सेव करते हैं क्या? पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट क्यों यूज करते हैं, प्राइवेट ट्रांसपोर्ट क्यों यूज करते हैं? क्या फर्क पड़ता है उसमें, कहीं मनी इन्वॉल्व है क्या? रिंग रोड्स होनी चाहिए या फिर सिटी में ही, सिटी से ही क्राउड को, आपके ट्रैफिक को मैन्यूवर होना चाहिए? किस चीज का इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, उसका फर्क होता है क्या? सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, अगर आप कहते हैं कि मैम मुझे आइडियाज नहीं आते, आई गेट सो मेनी calls and so many messages, people texting me, people attending the classes, people attending those seminars, and everywhere I go, this is one question that is being asked by many of my many of the IELTS aspirants, अपार्ट फ्रॉम मैम, कि आइडियाज का इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है कि नहीं? आइडियाज का इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है माय डियर, दैट्स व्हाई दिस वीडियो। बट कैसे उन आइडियाज को जनरेट करना है, प्रॉब्लम इज दैट, सॉल्यूशन क्या है? सॉल्यूशन ये है। तो मनी का क्या, क्या उसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, दैट वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट। नेक्स्ट इज हमारी कि क्या ई से हमने रखा है कि क्या इमोशनल कोई इम्पैक्ट है क्या, कुछ इमोशनल क्वेश्चन भी इन्वॉल्व है क्या? वीडियो गेम, सम पीपल बिलीव दैट प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम्स इज गुड फॉर चिल्ड्रन व्हाइल अदर्स दे डिसएग्री, और अदर्स फील दैट इट्स शेयर वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। क्या फर्क है? इमोशनली कोई इम्पैक्ट करता है क्या? क्या वो स्ट्रेस बस्टर है क्या? क्या अगर हम 15 मिनट्स का एक ब्रेक लें और चाहे हम उसमें क्विज माई इंग्लिश ऐप पे ही वीडियो गेम खेल लें, दिस इज एन ऐप बाय कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी, कैम्ब्रिज असेसमेंट इंग्लिश, क्या उसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा क्या? क्या हम थोड़ा सा, हमारा इमोशनल स्ट्रेस कम होता है क्या? क्या हम क्या हमें कंप्यूटर को यूज करना चाहिए लैंग्वेज लर्निंग में? क्या हमारा उसमें फेथ ज्यादा है या हमारा एक फिजिकल टीचर में फेथ ज्यादा है क्या? सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे मस्ट कम टू आवर माइंड। तो ये एक फर्स्ट इम्पैक्ट मैंने बनाया है। Then I get these messages and some of my children they ask this thing, मैम मगर कई जगह ना आपका रूल इम्प्लीमेंट ही नहीं होता, किथे किथे लगता ही नहीं, कहाँ नहीं लगता? सो देर आर अदर थिंग्स दैट यू कैन थिंक अबाउट। क्या हमारे जेंडर का उसमें कोई फर्क है क्या? फर्क पड़ता है क्या कि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे फील दैट मेन दे शुड बी डूइंग ऑल दोज work outside the house while women should be confined inside the four walls of the house? Or do you think that men they become better police officers while women they become good doctors? There is this question, and thrice it was asked last year, in just 1 year, in the time span of 1 year, this question was asked repeatedly, that do you think women they become better police officers or men? So things, gender का क्या impact है? अगेन यहाँ पे हमने एज देख लिया, बट क्या कोई सराउंडिंग्स का भी असर पड़ता है क्या? एरिया का भी कोई फर्क पड़ रहा है क्या? ये होता है क्या रूरल एरियाज में पीपल आर एबल टू वर्क बेटर, और अर्बन एरियाज में वो चीज नहीं है? ये है क्या कि जो रूरल एरियाज में थिंग्स विच आर अवेलेबल फॉर फ्री, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रेश एयर, क्लीन वाटर, इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स, दे आर पेड इन अर्बन एरियाज, ऐसा कोई इम्पैक्ट है क्या? उसके बाद मैरिज, मैरिज का कोई असर है क्या कि जो ओल्ड एज पीपल होते हैं, अगर वो मैरिड हैं, अगर वो अनमैरिड हैं, विडो हैं, कुछ भी ऐसा है, डू यू थिंक दैट मैरिटल स्टेटस इट हैज समथिंग टू डू विद माय टॉपिक? एंड लास्ट इज माय द मोस्ट important thing, ego. Why I have written ego? Many people they say that ma'am it depends. Ma'am, it depends. Ma'am, it varies from person to person. So consider that person. Give that thing there. That for this particular section of the society, this thing is true. However, there is another section of the society who believes in this. So with this kind of thinking, you will be able to work on ideas. Now let's say you ask me कि मैम अच्छा अब you tell us कि ये हर जगह implement होती है कि नहीं? So randomly I am searching for this. There is this website with the name of IELTS online test. We have come up here, and if I would like to check, these are my IELTS. I'll be going with general training since I usually train most of the general training students. If I come here, I go to, okay, IELTS steps, let's say volume 5. You go here, you go to your writing part. So if I go to my writing part, here it is. I am taking my test. There are other tips I will be giving you. This is your task 1 and here is your task 2. So take this test. So the topic is, so if you see, I didn't know the topic. I have simply chosen it here randomly. How to go back? It's not showing us. Uh-uh. Is it paid now? Okay. So the topic says you should spend. Okay. The topic says modern communication mean that that's no longer necessary to write letters. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Now the topic is about writing letters. Again, we will be coming to this part and we'll see that which part actually suits it. Will there be any societal social implications? Yes. How about the people, those who don't have that digital literacy, those who don't know how to send emails? You can either put it in the society part or in the area part. So the choice is again yours. Or what we can do is, so either this one we are covering the societal part, the social part. Then money. Do you think it has, like, now it's not important? How about people those who don't have internet? How about the formality? Sometimes it's formal, so how it is important? Any emotional thing? Definitely emotional thing is there. If you see, if you get an email, you feel like, I have got an email. But how about when you feel a hand, you get a handwritten letter? You keep it safe, you save it for quite a long time, and then you could tend to read it and reread it. So this is something that's something important. Now if we are done with this part, if you have understood this thing, there is one thing I would like to recommend. There is this website with the name of Write and Improve. So you go here, it's Write and Improve. It's, you just simply Google it. This one is here. You start writing. You simply have to create a profile. And what this website does, it is AI based on artificial intelligence, and it will be helping you a lot. So you can think about such things. However, before I leave, and since you have watched it till here, so there is one special suggestion for you. This thing I haven't included in my video. This thing is something that I do personally. You get any topic. This is the world of digitalization. This is the world of artificial intelligence. This is the world of, many people say it's a global village. Ma'am, we are living in the era of technology, right? So if you are living in the age of globalization, if you are living in the age of computers, then always think what impact your this thing will be having. Your any topic that has been given to you, your keyword, if you can relate it with computers, if you can relate it with the developing sciences, if you can relate it with the artificial intelligence, trust me, you will fetch better bands. So this was my tip for what is the full form of Alicia and what's the full form of Bhatia, and how to include that one in your script. For that, keep watching. And if you know anything, and if you also have any technique, keep sharing. Let learning be your muse. Let sharing be your muse. May God bless you. Bye bye.